Alright guys, so today I'm going over the second part, which is basically the second half of the Sign Form 1, which as we all know is everybody's favorite part of the kata. So I'm going to be going over those details, over those moves, and I'm going to be giving you guys a few little cues and a few little things for you guys to remember this part of the kata in particular, okay? Well, first of all, one of the things let's go over is, especially for my Go belts now, you guys have already learned what's called a hand follow-up. We did this in self-defense a few weeks ago, and the hand follow-up that I taught you guys is called chop, reverse punch, all right? And you actually do this in the Sign Form 1 3 times, okay? And it just happens to be that in this particular part of the Sign Form 1, you do it one more time, okay? So that's one thing, hand follow-up, a chop followed by a punch. So you ever come to this part of the kata and you get to the chop, just know that right after that is a punch, okay? So that is one of the things we're gonna go over today. First of all, let's get started from the kick part, the back kick, all right? So you blocked, you punched, you dropped, and you kicked, all right? So first of all, the guy that you were fighting on, right, in this simulation, the guy that you fought back here, the one where you struck in what I call the no-no spot in the groin, okay? He's not down for the count, all right? That last punch you did to the groin only sent him back like a few steps, okay? Before you had to go ahead and divert your attention to the guy behind you. You had to kick him away, and now that same guy's coming back. And he's going for your head and strike you on the head, all right? So what you're going to do is that get back up, block, immediately punch, all right? Some of you guys should forget the punch here. Remember, what is the purpose of you blocking? If you're gonna go ahead and focus your attention elsewhere, okay? That block is not gonna do anything to that attacker, okay? If anything, he's still coming right at you. So you wanna make sure that you strike back so that way you're able to at least give yourself some more time to go ahead and fight off the other attackers. So with that said, after every block, there is always an attack. So you're gonna go ahead and block, reverse punch. All right, now to the person that's behind you, step over, block, and like I said, for every technique, for every block, you attack, you strike back, you counter it. So in this case, we're gonna go ahead and move on to a slide up, round kick. Now some of you guys, you forget what comes as soon as you do this part. Remember you guys, you're already here in your knife hand block. All you have to do with this front hand is to go ahead, make a fist. Easy as that. Bring the other hand up, and you're already ready. All right? From there, round kick, guess what? Here comes the hand follow-up that I was just telling you guys, okay? So after the round kick, you got your knife hand chop, punch. So you got those two moves down. Right after that hand follow-up, we just learned this, we are doing our self-defense. However, in this particular part of the Sign Form 1, you're not actually breaking away from wrist grabs. Okay, it is actually two elbows used as two separate techniques. One going right towards the attacker's jaw, okay, going this way, and the other one going under the jaw of the attacker going up. So you're literally going sideways strike, upward strike. All right, so right after that hand follow-up, okay, you're gonna go ahead and show me your cross elbow. All right, we're just waiting over this in self-defense, and then followed by your uppercut elbow. Okay, now, as I was telling you guys earlier, remember that stereotype about karate? That's right. So now, from this point, you're gonna go ahead and show me your down chop. You're already here. You're ready to chop down. So go ahead and finish it up. Okay, down chop. Remember, the arm is not fully extended. It's striking towards the shoulder, towards the clavicle, which only takes, as you guys remember, 5 pounds to fracture. So you're gonna go ahead, have it bent as such. All right, from there, as I told you guys, same hand out, same leg kicks. This is where you go ahead and you do your front kick, okay? And you put it back where it came from, and then going back to the first semester, jab, reverse punch, another form of a hand follow-up. And that's how you finish the kata, jab and reverse punch kick.